Life. It can be hectic, humid, hazy. No matter who you are or where you're from, life makes your clothes dirty and foul-smelling. For the first few washes you can get by, but then you start to notice it. Even newly washed clothes get that lingering smell and reactivate old odors as soon as your clothes warm up. After a while, whites and colors go dull. The armpits may start to yellow, and cuffs and collars go dingy. It has been impossible to reset or even prevent with existing washing technology. Until now. We have discovered that it all leads back to the same issue: body grime. It's a mixture of millions of dead skin cells you shed every day, sweat, sebum, and other contaminants on your body. It all ends up in the clothes worn close to your skin. The body grime forms a sticky film that wraps around each fiber and is resistant to traditional detergents, trapping dirt and smells. Even with washing in between, body grime builds up over time. It happens every time you wear a garment, dry yourself with a towel, or sleep in your bed. It's a 24-hour universal challenge. Sanitizers can get you half of the way, and a scent in a detergent or softener will only temporarily mask the problem. To address the actual underlying problem, we have developed a groundbreaking and unparalleled enzyme solution that changes the definition of clean for good. By attacking and removing invisible body grime, we offer a natural, biodegradable solution to the problem caused by it. You get to enjoy a new feeling of fresh and clean, and with it, a significantly extended lifetime of your clothes and home textiles. Use the power of nature and create a whole new world of clean.